Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to another video and back to my very super messy kitchen. So this has been the weekend with getting ready for a party and doing a few other bits and pieces, and just things pile up. I started cleaning out part of the plastics cupboard. Probably shouldn't have, but yeah. So we're going to set the timer and see how long it takes, mostly for myself, so I can look at this crazy mess again and go, see, it didn't take that long, but I swear I will learn nothing from this. And then there's no aftershot either, because I actually went, I'll come back to this later, and then a couple of days later realized, oh, I didn't film an aftershot, and now our kitchen's just completely messy again. So I'd have to clean the whole thing just to give you an aftershot. So keeping it real here. That's just, it is what it is. So what you see here of how it's clean is pretty much how it ended, and then we started all over again. I even forgot to shut all the cupboard doors. So again, real life in this house. But I'm hoping that this gives the motivation to some people to get up and do something. As you can see, this section only took me about 15 minutes to do, and then the other section took quite a while longer because dishes always do. So I've super sped that part up as well. So short video for you guys, but at least it's something. So here we go, a total of 51 minutes. I managed to do it under an hour, but I am exhausted, let me tell you. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.